Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can check out your watch history on Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my PC and I have launched the website, and I'll be showing you guys how you can get from here to your watch history. The process is pretty similar for the app, so you'll just have to infer the steps from here, and it might be a bit different. It might have a couple of different buttons, but it's pretty much in the same, space. What you need to do is go and hover over your profile icon on the PC, click on account and settings. You might be prompted to log in again, in which case you just enter your credentials and log in again. And as you can see, you have your watch history here, and you'll have this list separated by dates, and it'll also separate by seasons, and you can see which episodes of which season you've watched. And then from here you can manipulate the watch history however you want. You can delete the episodes from the watch history by just clicking this button, and you will need to do this manually for each season and each show. And then if you go back into your watch history, those should be gone, as you can see, or it might take a few days for them to be completely gone, but that should be pretty much it. The list is different for each profile, so you need to go across profiles to see your watch history on each individual profile, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.